This video is a guide to help learn how to install the Maxi-Cosi Ambra Infant Car Seat. Make sure you read the complete instruction manual, which includes important warnings and other information. First, unfold the load leg. Reach under the base and pull the load leg down from the storage compartment if you wish to use this optional feature. Next, extend the rigid latch connectors from the base. Push to tilt the release lock tab backwards and then push in the release button on the other end to slide the release lock and extend the connector. Repeat this to extend the rigid latch connector on the other side of the base. Be sure to locate the lower anchors on your vehicle seat. Once located, then place the base on the vehicle seat so the rigid latch connectors are aligned with the anchors. Then push both sides of the base evenly towards the vehicle seat back until both rigid latch connectors are attached to the anchors and the base is as flat as possible against the vehicle seat back. The connectors will ratchet into the base of the seat as you push into the seat cushion. To check if the base is securely attached to the lower anchors, be sure to check the indicator on both of the rigid latch connector release locks, and also try pulling the base away from the vehicle seat back. When using the passenger and driver side locations, the car seat must be touching the back of the seat in front of it, or be as close as possible. Reach under the base and pull the load leg down from the storage compartment if you wish to use this optional feature. Place the base rear-facing in the back seat. Center the base in the chosen seating position and push it backwards until contact is made with the vehicle seat back. The car seat must be as flat as possible on the vehicle seat. Next, lift open the lock-off release lever. Insert the lap belt or the lap/shoulder belt into the belt path opening on the base. Pull it across the base and out through the belt path opening on the other side. Buckle the vehicle belt. If your vehicle belt has a switchable retractor, wait to put in locking mode until after lock-off is closed. Next, tighten the vehicle belt. Place one hand in the base and push it firmly down and back towards the vehicle seat back while using your other hand to pull the belt towards you in line with the belt path. Push the release lever down to close the lock-off. Check the tension indicators on the base. The red on both indicators will turn completely green when the vehicle belt is tightened correctly over both buttons in the belt path. No red should be showing and the base should not move more than 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters when holding the base at the belt path with your non-dominant hand and pushing and pulling it side to side. If your vehicle belt has a switchable retractor, make sure it is in locking mode. You are now ready to use your Ambra Infant Car Seat. Please call Consumer Care for any installation assistance.